If you need to find scholarly research, Nexis Uni is a great database for locating business topics and company profiles, as well as court cases and law articles. There are multiple ways to perform a search using Nexis Uni. First, the guided search option allows you to choose what types of sources you would like to see in your results. To perform a simple search, you can use the search bar here. In order to construct a more detailed search, let's click Advanced Search, located under the search bar. To start, let's type small business in the top box. Next, add holidays to the second box to narrow the search. You can also adjust based on date range or source. More boxes will appear if you prefer to further narrow your search. Click Search at the bottom to see the results. On the left, you can see a snapshot of the source types available in your results list. Here, you have the option to search within the results by typing a keyword to include or exclude. You can also adjust your search based on specific term filters such as timeline, publication info, subject, industry, and more. To choose a result, select a title. Click here to email the article to yourself. Search within the text here or turn pages using the up or down arrows. Find the article citation by clicking Export Citation and selecting your desired citation style from the drop-down menu. Always be sure to check generated citations using your style menu. Finally, if you have questions about navigating Nexis Uni, be sure to ask a librarian.